Welcome to today's video. I'll be testing the KingSpec M.2 2280 SSD at a terabytes drive from a Chinese manufacturer priced at just $112. Is it a budget-friendly gem or a drive to avoid? I'll run performance benchmarks to see how it stacks up. If you're considering this SSD for your next upgrade, stay tuned to find out if it's worth your money. The test computer is an Acer Predator Helios Neo 16. The tested drive will be used as a slave drive. The manufacturer applied a graphene heatsink on the drive to dissipate heat. Acer also included heat-dissipating elements in the form of thermal pads on the bottom cover for both SS disks. The drive is already installed, so let's move on to the performance tests. First, I will show the performance of the drive provided by Acer, a Samsung PM9A11 TB. Its performance has slightly decreased after reaching nearly 50% capacity. Here, I'm sharing the benchmark results taken right after installing Windows 11. Now, let's move on to testing the new drive from KingSpec. The test was conducted after transferring the first 25 gigabytes of data. I also have the results taken right after creating the partition, which are slightly higher. For comparison, I'm including the benchmark results of a Samsung 980 Pro, which is twice as expensive. Finally, I'll show in real time how long it takes to copy 24 gigabytes of data from the Samsung drive to the new KingSpec XG7000. In conclusion, the KingSpec XG7000 actually outperforms the Samsung 980 Pro in terms of performance, despite being much more affordable. It delivers impressive speed and reliability, making it an excellent value option compared to more expensive drives, even though it uses similar components. If you're looking for high performance at a fraction of the price, the KingSpec XG7000 is definitely a great choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews.